हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल्स। अगर आप सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट हैं या फिर स्ट्रक्चर इंजीनियरिंग सीखना चाहते हैं तो यह ईटैब की पूरी सीरीज आपके लिए है। इस सीरीज में हम ईटैब को बिल्कुल बेसिक से एडवांस तक सीखेंगे। इसलिए अगर आपने पहले कभी ईटैब इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है तब भी आप आसानी से इसे समझ पाएंगे। अगर आप कोई भी वीडियो मिस करना नहीं चाहते हैं तो जल्दी से जल्दी इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड शेयर करें, लाइक एंड कमेंट करें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज आपकी पहली क्लास। सो बेसिकली पहली क्लास में हम ई टैब का इंट्रोडक्शंस एंड इसका बेसिक एंड एडवांटेज यूज ये सब जानेंगे। तो मूव टू स्लाइड्स। वीडियो में हम जानेंगे व्हाट इज ई टैब, हिस्ट्री, यूज, एडवांटेज एंड सिस्टम रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर ई टैब। सो फर्स्ट slide is defined as the what is ETAB. So ETAB being used as an engineering software applications for multi-story buildings, structure analysis as well as structure design. And next is what does ETAB stand for? So ETAB stand for Extended Three-Dimensional Analysis of Building System. So move to next slide is define as the history of ETAB. So history of ETAB is a well known as established across the world is structures and earthquake engineering software company and computers and structures and CSI is established in 1975 and located in California with additional office locations in New York. And next point is defined as the software from CSI is used by thousands of engineering firms in over 160 countries for the design of major projects. So, city of ETAB is basically defined as the main point of the structure engineering. So, the structure analyze and design software CSI is a developer a lot of software included CSI Bridge and SOP and ETABs and SAP 2000 is next slide is defined as the use of ETABs. So ETAB has been developed especially for multi-stories and commercial and residential buildings and structures such as office towers, apartment and hospitals. And the next uses ETAB provide a wide range of tools that an engineer can use depending on the choice of structure that has to be designed. And the next ETAB is really an easy to use software is even support the creations and modelings of complex design and offer graphics displays and comprehensive designing techniques, linear and non-linear analytical powers, tool and report. And next is defined as the advantage of ETAB. So next slide is define main advantage of ETAB. So this main advantage of ETAB is ETABs allow user for graphics input and modifications for the sake of easy and quick model creations for any types of structure. And next advantage of ETABs creations of 3D model with the utilizations of plane view and elevations and 3D models of any kinds of complex structure can be created easily. And next advantage is with the help of similar stories concept creations of 3D models is very easy and quicker. So if the story are similar then the models generations time can be reduced multiple times and thought similar story concept. And next is the creation of object is very quicker for any types of softwares is next slide is so next advantage of define automatics considerations of cell weight of materials has made it the easy to consider self weight of various members even the size is changed. And next is automatics creations of earthquake and wind load save lot of times to calculate the manually and assign them the 3D model. So load combinations as per your defined buildings code is also methods. You do not need to define them the individually with save lot of time. So next and very important advantage is interoperabilities with the related software produced the providing for the input of architecture model from various technical drawing software and export to various defining. And this slide is defining the system requirement for eTabs. So basically use the system's requirement. The first is operating system. So operating system is defined 64-byte processor, Microsoft Windows 7 and Microsoft Windows 8 or Microsoft Windows 10, etc. And next is CPU type. So minimum Intel Platinum 4 and AMD Ethanol 64. So and recommended the Intel i7, i5 and AMD's Ethanol X4 Rayon and vectors and memory.